So this is Friday, 21st of April, 2023. This is train 168 from Chumphon to Chumphon at Lamae. Coming into the station. Lost my balance. Decided to come up to the market. Going all the way to Bangkok. Probably at least an 8-hour trip from here, maybe 9. Always interesting to see. A little bit of a family outing here with Ticker Boy, my lady Siri. We got the market going on over here, even though the big market's over in New Lamae tonight. Clocks are not lit in the clock tower. A little bit of market activity over here on this side. Almost 7 o'clock at night. The signals are going down to the crossing. And the train is getting ready to leave. Not the best photography tonight, so don't blast me in the comments. That's all she wrote. I can't zoom out any further. Don't quite understand how the lenses work in this phone. Quiet rails. Bye bye. And that's all she wrote. Okay. Bye bye.